Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how to erase your Mac. So for doing this you just need to restore your Mac and just press on Command and R. So just keep pressing these two buttons so until you will see Apple logo and loading. So after, just wait until you will see the screen. So after, you just need to tap on disk utility just to choose continue. So now you just need to choose erase. So here you can also see our partitions. So we just need to choose here and just tap on erase. And here just write name, for example, Apple. And just choose erase. So now just wait until it will successfully delete our volume. So you need to know that actually all your info will be deleted, so you need to know this. If you maybe have some necessary files, so just copy it to flash drive, so because after you won't be able for having any access for your files. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like and bye.